They're off in the Plenty of Grace. On Conquest Hard Candy came out well from the inside. Coffee Crush goes up to take the lead from the outside now and speeds off to lead by a length and a half. And then it's Conquest Hard Candy, followed by Thais. And between those two is Silent Sonnet. 55 is taken to the back of the pack to trail the field early, moving into that clubhouse turn. Bit of a traffic issue there for Silent Sonnet near the back of the pack as Coffee Crush goes on with it to a 23.44 quarter and leads them by 2.5. Thais is second, and then it's Conquest Hard Candy to the inside. Silent Sonnet and 55 is still about 6 behind. So Coffee Crush leads them up the backstretch under Jose Lezcano, continuing out there by 2.5 over Thais. Conquest Hard Candy continues to run along in third and rides the rail. 2 lengths more back to Silent Sonnet. 55 is 5 from the front. 47.55 was the half, racing for the far turn. Coffee Crush all the way so far. Thais closer now, just a length behind. Conquest Hard Candy on the inside is third, waiting for some running room, and now 55 gets going in company with Silent Sonnet. They're moving together and they're moving wide. 3/4, 111.62, and they're into the stretch. And here comes 55 with a burst of speed on the outside. 55 has taken the lead. Coffee Crush is second, Thais, Conquest Hard Candy on the inside, and Silent Sonnet, but it's 55. Gerard Ortiz Jr. and 55 score in the Plenty of Grace. Conquest Hard Candy was second, and then it was Coffee Crush and Thais.